when I heard Klass's album, and I'm like, even if you want to have the conversation where they say the elephant of the room when it comes to Klass, are they giving the same thing? Even if you want to have that conversation, you know, you still have to talk about what the album is. And I was not seeing that anywhere.
No one realized que un peu le monde pense que Richie a fait même bagaille, but maintenant des arrangements qui fait sur album ça, it's so different.
Exactly. And Leo parler de Klass is just blah, 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 my shit. It's like, who do we have to actually get into the music and talk about the music?
Yes. And make people really pay attention to the music.
It's 2 Klass articles. C'est pour nous garder album Klass la même. Première partie c'est okay, how did we get to this point? Why is this album so controversial?
Yeah.
Why is it polarizing?
Yeah.
You know, qui sa Klass représente dans business là? Qui réponse Klass got for each album that they drop? You know, Fel vini avant to faire like tout cœur, but then Ritnaliu, things got tricky.
Yeah.
You know, and now we're with My Painkiller. What has been the experience of Klass in the business? Has the critiques been too hard? Have they been fair? And then deuxième partie, c'est actually song by song.
Yeah, of course. This is good.